Welcome to Siddharth Secrets YouTube channel. Now today we are trying to the second day Yoga Danda training program. Yesterday we are trying the Yoga Danda first day program, and then we had did a substitute exercise that was aura power improvement. See, we did yesterday like that. Ah, ooh, E, E, O, A, M, again, A, U, E, E, O, A, M. Simply once more. A, U, E, E, O, A. We train this another exercise. Now, yesterday we learned this. If you are keeping this left hand, our right side breath and right side brain are activating. If you are keeping right hand like that, the left side breathing are going and the left side brain is activating. So far we are keeping always this Yoga Danda like that. Okay. But now without Yoga Danda, what can I do? So see this. What are these? Our fingers. From the universe, the cosmic powers are coming with the breathing 24 hours into our lungs, and the cosmic biomagnetic powers are spread to whole body, our body, and we are living with the power. But we are worshipping in the temple or any places, any religion. We are doing some meditation, penance, something yoga, some many things. But on the time only you are feeling very happy, very powerful, very silently. But after that we live that some time. You are become as so normal. What happened? Where is the power was went out? All the powers are coming from the nature, cosmic energy from the nature, by the God, by the Siddhas, from by to our breath. Okay. Now usually if you are doing worship or without worship, you are doing some yoga, meditation or breathing exercise, nothing need. All the persons in the whole world are having cosmic power naturally by breathing. No, without exercise. Normally we are getting the cosmic energy, magnetic, biomagnetic power. But all the powers are went through our going through our fingers, coming from to the breath and going out from our fingers. So for the ancient Tamil sisters and Indian yogis, we have learned this simple technique. They lock the powers inside. They save the powers inside their whole body. It become as a holy body. They did penance. They save the energy within their whole body, and then the body, human body, become as holy body. So they touch anybody's, the patient cured. They give something, vibhuti, tirtha, water, holy, when everything become as divine powerful. So this is a very simple technique, how it was happened. Just you can learn, these are 4 fingers. What? 4 fingers. This is left hand, this is right hand. You can keep this like that. What? This left hand palm is down. This right hand palm is up. Okay, this right side palm is up Left side palm is down. The two forefingers are like that. This is left. Just know this is left. Left palm must down. Right palm just up. This is the secret. You are keeping like that. Your total whole body is power. All powers are saved. No loss, no tiredness. Just you can keep like that or any place. Just you are like that. If you are keeping like that, see now the left forefinger is like up. My right side breathing are going and my right side brain are working. If I am changing like that, immediately the left side breathing are going, left side brain are working. So you can change like that, your mood are change left to the right, right to the left side brain, right side brain, right side brain, left side brain. Totally it was happened. But every time, anywhere, you must keep this left hand only as up. Left hand as up, the left palm as down. Left palm down, left hand as up. Every time, every place, everywhere, even you are a lady or gent, no problem. A child or adult, no problem. Rich person, educated person, no problem. Every person must do this exercise like that. Anywhere, any place, you just keep like that. If you are not comfortable, just keep your hands like that. You can sit in your chair or floor, no problem. Just you can, okay. So now we are trying this yoga dandam as like that. Just fast. Yesterday we are keeping here, first day we are keeping this yoga dandam like that. Today now we are keeping this yoga dandam here and the two forefingers are like that. Closing our eyes, doing silently. You can sit down for 21 minutes. Okay. See, you can sit in your chair also like that. Keep this yoga dandam like that. Both two forefingers are like that. This is the left hand, left forefinger like that. The left palm must down. The right palm is up. The right side, right hand up. Don't. This is the method, but you can sit as you are comfortably, without pain, without risk, without tension. You can close your eyes. Just you can, if you like to sit in the chair, you have to be able to do the yoga danda within your chair. See, the second day you can keep this yoga dandam the middle of your hand like that. Yesterday we keep this yoga dandam here on the wrist. Today, second day, we are keeping this yoga dandam here. And the four fingers are, keep your four fingers like that. Left hand is up, left palm is down, right palm is up, right hand is down. See, you can closely, comfortably sit down. Close your eyes. Sit down as you are in the floor, whatever you like. Minimum 21 minutes you can sit. Your body, mind and whole body will become as very energetic. The divine nectar and the divine power will experienced by you. The pineal gland will be activated like that very simply. Now after 21 minutes you can open your eyes. Remove your fingers. Keep the yoga danda on the floor. Come front. After 21 minutes meditation with yoga danda, you must sit like that. Keep your both legs like that. Now you can keep the right leg as up. Right leg every time as up. Now you can lie down to your left side. Okay, thank you. Now you can turn to the middle face. Keep the 4 fingers in your chest. Not like that. No. That like. Every time your left hand is up, the left palm is down. Every time the right palm is up. The 4 fingers are touching like that. Very simply. Now close your eyes. Be relaxed comfortably. You can sleep like that for minimum 5 minutes. Close your eyes. Keep these 4 fingers like that. Be relaxed. Total body, you are energetic. You are feeling whole body energy by the nature. No mantra, no japa, no prayers or no worship are not necessary in the time. Open your eyes. Remove your hands. After 5 minutes you are stand up. And turn to the left side. Gents, every time lie down to the left side and stand up by the left side only. Ladies, right side. Stand up. Thank you very much for the second day Yoga Danda training. Any doubts, call me. Your Yoga Danda Pon Parthasarathi, Vadavani, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India.